In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to connect Shazam to your Spotify account. This is a great way to enhance your music experience. It allows all the songs you discover on Shazam to automatically sync to a dedicated Spotify playlist, making it easier to revisit and enjoy your favorite tracks. To do this, simply head to Shazam. You want to tap onto this settings icon. Inside the section of streaming, under Spotify, tap on Connect. It will directly redeem to your Spotify account. You will also want to allow syncing of your Spotify playlist on Shazam. Once done, whenever you use Shazam to find any song, it will have the option to play it via Spotify. Well, that's how easy it is to connect Shazam to your Spotify account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.